In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ClickUp, complete guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a space, create a task, add multiple tags, and customize those tags so you and your team can organize work more clearly and filter tasks across different views with ease. First things first, log into your ClickUp account. If you're brand new, choose the sign up option and follow the on-screen prompts to get into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where your spaces live, and that's where we'll start. Click New Space to create a clean area for this walkthrough. For demonstration purposes, let's name the space Creating Tags. You can also add a description, if you like, which is helpful for teammates to understand the purpose of the space, but it's completely optional. Before finalizing the space, choose Full Edit to configure it the way you want. This is where you pick the options best suited to your workflow. Things like statuses, features you want turned on, and any default settings. Keep it simple if you're just testing. When you're done, click Continue, then Create Space. Give ClickUp a moment to build everything, and you'll be dropped into your new space. To use tags, you'll need at least one task. You can add tasks from the upper right or within a list. Both work the same. Create a new task, give it a clear name, and add a brief description if it helps. Click Save so the task is created. If you plan to tag multiple tasks, consider opening a list view so you can add tags as you go. It's a great way to keep things consistent across a batch of tasks. Next, open the task you just created. You'll see the Task Details panel with fields for things like assignees, priority, and time estimate. Scroll a bit and look for tags. If you see the word empty in the tags area, that simply means there are no tags yet. Click it to start. The Tags field lets you search existing tags or create new ones instantly. Let's add our first tag. Type a short, descriptive name and choose Create. You can create a couple more right away the same way. Enter the text, then Create. For this walkthrough, make 3 tags so you can see how they display together. You'll notice each tag appears as a small label on the task. These are reusable, so once you've created them in this space, you can add the same tags to other tasks quickly without recreating them. Tags are most effective when you keep names short and consistent. Think in terms of categories you'll want to filter by later. Things like stage names, themes, or features. Avoid creating near duplicates. For example, bug and bugs will split your filtering. Pick one format and stick to it. As your list of tags grows, this small bit of discipline saves a lot of time when you need to slice your task list by tag across list, board, or calendar views. Now that the tags are on the task, let's customize them. Each tag has options that let you manage how it looks and how it's used. You can rename a tag if you spot a typo, delete a tag if it's not needed, and change its color to make it stand out. Choose a color that matches how your team thinks about the work. For example, a bright color like orange can help highlight urgent categories or important themes. Color isn't just cosmetic. When you scan a long list of tasks, consistent colors make it faster to spot what matters. If you're collaborating, communicate the tag names and color meanings to your team so everyone applies them the same way. Tags are incredibly useful for grouping work that cuts across projects, like marking tasks tied to a milestone, tracking tasks owned by a specific function, or labeling tasks that belong to a particular release or event stage. Once tags are in place, filtering by them helps you generate quick, focused views without moving or duplicating tasks. To recap the process, you created a space so you're working in a clean, organized area. You added a task and saved it. You opened the task, found the tag section, usually under the time estimate field, and created 3 tags by typing and clicking Create. Then you customize tag colors to make them more intuitive and visible. When you're done reviewing, you can close the tasks window. Those tags remain attached, and you can now apply them to any other tasks in this space. A few quick tips to keep your tagging system tidy as you continue. Choose a simple naming convention, like singular nouns or short phrases. Reuse existing tags rather than creating new variants. And review your tags periodically to merge or delete ones that aren't being used. Doing this keeps your filters meaningful and prevents clutter over time. And that's all it takes to create and manage tags in ClickUp. It's a straightforward workflow that pays off in better organization, clearer categorization, and faster filtering across your views. If this guide helped you set up your tags with confidence, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more practical walkthroughs just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.